What's up, everyone? I know I haven't done this in a long time, but I'm gonna make another cooking video. Or if you've been watching my Instagram, you've seen the cooking videos on the story. But I wanted to do an actual official tutorial again. And today I'm gonna make lasagna. And since they said all good chefs give all of their recipes a name, the name of this recipe is better than your mama's lasagna. Sorry, mama. The ingredients are pretty simple. You just need the lasagna noodles, some ground beef, sausage, ricotta cheese, some marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, garlic, onion, and bell pepper. There's a lot of different options you could add or subtract from the recipe too. A lot of people put spinach or carrots in the ricotta cheese or other type of vegetables. But this is a real basic lasagna, something that you could, add your own little touch to. All right, so what you want to do is you want to start with some extra light virgin olive oil and add that to the pan. And then you're going to add, not necessarily in this order, but I like to add the garlic first because when the garlic starts to sizzle, it smells delicious. So you add the garlic, onions. I usually use green bell peppers, but all I had was red bell peppers. And then you add the ground beef and the Italian sausage. And if you notice, I took the Italian sausage out of the casing. Now, while this is cooking, you definitely want to add the essentials: a little bit of pepper, some salt, garlic powder. Especially if you have people that are concerned about salt, you could use garlic salt, but garlic salt's hella salty. And like I said, everybody has their own style of cooking and their own personal preferences or their family preferences. So feel free to freak this recipe if you have to, add or subtract. Like I said, this is just a really basic lasagna recipe that you can add to and give it your own flavor and your own twist. Wanted to give everybody an idea what it's like to be out here in California right now. And every grocery store has police officers at it. This is a brand new grocery store. You can even look at the shelf, like people just pillaging through that meat. Now they have a limit of 2 eggs per customer. I think it's important to tell, I usually cut the onions a lot finer, but since I'm making this video by myself, I had to cut the onions quickly. But if you have family members that don't like onions, you could cut the onions a lot finer and they won't even know there's onions in there. Because I don't like onions, but I'll eat this.
What are you making over there?
Hey, we got the homie Tid Quest live from New York, and he hates onions. I wanted to make sure that what I got right here, this mixture, is Tid Quest approved, and he can't see any onions in there.
All right.
If I need to get closer, I can get closer.
All right. You minced them? Wow, I can barely see anything. I see little things that I kind of want to like pick and poke just to check it out, but no. Let me see. Spread it out. Let me see a little bit.
I will spread it.
Yeah. You know me, man.
I mean,
I've got to see the real deal. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah. All right. I'm staying safe. I'm staying indoors. I'm not like moving around too much. I go outside very rarely. So you can order alcohol and a meal and they deliver it to you. Or you can like walk up to it and there's a little window and there's a bartender and they make you a drink and then you walk out into the street with it, which is dope.
That's dope. All right, brother. I got to finish up this lasagna. Thank you
for sure. I can't wait to see it done, man. It's going to look excellent. I'm waiting.
Thank you guys for checking this video out. If you guys actually make the lasagna, let me know how it comes out. And like I said, just remember, it's just a basic recipe. Feel free to add your own twist to it, your own cooking style. And I'll be back soon. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at TomHernandez1. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.